So this is another new ToughBook that we're bringing to market. This is the ToughBook CF-20. This is the world's first fully rugged, detachable product. What we mean by detachable is we can easily remove the tablet. So this is a 10.1 inch 800 nit screen. It's our first Intel 6th generation Skylake product. It's got 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of SSD. As I said, it's fully rugged. It's about 950 grams in its tablet format, and together with the detachable part of the keyboard, it's about 1.75 kilograms. So fully rugged, but still lightweight. When you attach the product back onto the device, it gives you the ability to use the product with a handle. So it's got an integrated carry handle. The other advantage by attaching it to the product is the tablet itself has some port capability. So you've got HDMI, USB and micro SD on this particular version, as well as a LAN connector. It's all behind sealed doors, so in terms of dust and ingress protection, water protection is important. The tablet has some configurations which you can add to the rear of the device using a gadget function. So it could be a smart card reader, it could be a barcode scanner we can add to the device itself. But the added flexibility is you've got this keyboard area with a host of other connections, so HDMI, LAN, USB, additional serial, high-speed USB 3 on the device. So it means that you've got an ultimate level of capability. Being detachable, you can also reverse the product, so then you end up with a convertible style device, and that can be used then with the ports or without the ports. It's also got an option for, it's a capacitive screen, so it's got the ability to operate with a finger, but also using a glove mode. So if you put thick industrial level gloves, you can still use the screen. And also it's got a stylus to draw on the device. We offer the device in two variants, one with a capacitive touch screen only, and then also with a digitizer, so for more accurate, pressure sensitive type of pen operation. One of the other advantages of it being a detachable is if I just turn the device over and remove the device again, this device has got one battery power in the tablet, which gives you around an 8-hour operation time, and on the bottom of the keyboard, exactly the same battery can fit in the bottom. The battery is hot swappable in the tablet, so you can double the lifetime. So in some scenarios, applications where you need really good battery life, you've got the ability to use two batteries on the device. The bottom of the device, you also have a connector, which is used. You can also see there's a dual coaxial connector, so that's for external antenna connectivity. So when we connect it to this type of dock, I'll just show you. So this is a desktop port replicator, so when you place the unit into the dock, you get full port replication, so USB for example, serial, LAN, USB, HDMI for a desktop type of application. And then we have a similar dock which gives you the ability to mount this into a vehicle. So it could be front mounted into a car or a fire engine, for example, and then put in external antenna connectivity out to the top of the car to get better connectivity in the field. So it depends on how you want to use the device. The device is fully rugged, so it can be dropped from as a detachable from 1.2 meters and as a tablet from 1.8 meters. It's IP65, so it's resistant to very much, it's basically any way that a human can work in the pouring rain condition. The device can withstand that. It's got an outdoor viewable screen, so it's 800 nit brightness as I mentioned earlier, but with an anti-reflective coating, so even in the brightest of sunlight conditions, you know, perhaps more in the southern parts of Europe or in the northern parts of Europe when it's snowy, you can see the details on the screen. The other thing that is worth mentioning on the device is this is the detachable portion. So if you do remove, you can see the battery on the back side of the device, and you can also see the 8 megapixel camera with an LED, and there's also a front facing 2 megapixel web camera on the front of the device. It's powered, it's running Windows 10 Pro version. So the CF-20 is available in March 2016. If you want more information on this product, again, visit our website, which is www.toughbook.eu, where you can download case studies, early adopter programs, and all information about the product.